Sorry guys, my camera. So, it's me again today, and I'm going to be shooting my Ryder BB gun right here at this target right there. So, I'm trying to get my camera to see that target. Is that good? Can y'all see that target? I can see it perfectly on the camera, so I'm going to go ahead and shoot this thing for y'all guys. Hit it. Right here. Got it right there, right in the middle. I can see a little hole. Y'all probably can't because it's on the camera. But I hit it. That's good. So, let's see what we had. So, let's see. Here we got our hole here. This is actually a double shot hole. So I shot 2 BBs in it. Then our other hole right here. So, that's it. And that's my Ryder BB gun. Hope y'all liked it, guys. Thank you for watching.